Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to relink PayPal to Gcash. First thing I want you to do is just launch the Gcash app, come to the bottom right, click on your profile icon, and then from here click on this option, My Linked Accounts. And from here you should see PayPal. I want you to tap on PayPal, and then I want you to link your PayPal account. So click here on a link account, and then Gcash will basically ask you to sign into PayPal. Click on continue. Enter here your login, right? Your email, mobile number, your password. Click on login. And once you're logged in, right, they'll ask you to do a CAPTCHA. Go ahead and fill in that CAPTCHA. And you need to accept this to basically connect your PayPal account to Gcash. Just scroll down, click on agree and connect. Okay. And then you'll be able to cash in any amount you want to your PayPal as well. Okay. Really that easy. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.